So today Steve popped over with his 1947 Studebaker Restomod truck. Very nice it is too. Here we are with him demonstrating the air suspension capabilities. So Steve's had some issues with the steering on this truck. The bottom bearing on this steering box, which is out of a P38 Land Rover, had given way, and he can't get a new bearing anywhere. So he came over this rather nice piece of phosphor bronze and asked if I'd make a plain bearing to go in the bottom. So that's what we're doing here, drilling it out, and then Steve got a little bit overexcited with the oil can, of course lots and lots of smoke. So the issue with phosphor bronze, which has an awful lot of copper in it, and indeed copper when you machine it, is it's very soft and it gets very hot quickly and tends to grab drill bits because it expands and basically shrinks onto the drill. So once we've got it drilled out, we could then bore it out with the boring bowl. Don't have any problems whatsoever, and we got a rather nice finish using these brand new carbide chassis. I was quite pleased with that. So there we go, we've machined it up out of this nice piece of phosphor bronze. Don't know where Steve got this from, but he just turned up with it. So there it is there. Time to try it into the hole, check it fits. The other thing we didn't realise, or at least I didn't realise with this, is it's a crushable column. And it seemed to be made out of cheese, so as soon as we tried to press it in or tap it in, that distorted the column, and I spent a long time then trying to realign said cheese-made column, but since then Steve's changed it to a solid column anyway, so it doesn't matter. We then parted it off the old-fashioned way and then machined it up to make it nice and square, and yeah, it's a pretty good fit.
I'd have been happy
and then it was time to get it back on the truck and give it a test drive. There's that crushable column there. So the idea of that is if you have a crash, that collapses and it stops the steering wheel impaling you. So here's the high-tech dash, it's GPS speedo, tablet, iPad control, LED headlights. It's a really nice truck and seems to have sorted out the problem.